So hey guys, welcome to Cooking with Carolina Packers. We've done this quite a bit already. It's a show all about sharing your favorite bright leaf recipes live. We cook it live, prepare it live, and hopefully you can take our bright leaf products and create these things in your own home. So today we got Damien, aka the king of the kitchen, aka Dame Eats This, is making a breakfast egg roll. I've never heard of a breakfast egg roll. I've heard of a breakfast burrito and then an egg roll. He's putting them together. So we're thrilled to have him on, and he is cooking it with bright leaf bacon. I don't know if you guys have had this bacon, but it is fantastic. And now I might need to say that because I work for them, but truly, this is the only bacon I use. It doesn't shrivel up like most bacon. It's smoked in hickory wood, and it's sugar-free, giving you another reason to eat this bacon. So let me bring Damien on here so he can show us how to make a breakfast egg roll. I know we're all excited.
All right, man. Just introduce yourself to everyone. Let them know who you are and what you got going on.
All right, for everybody who doesn't know me, I'm Damien from Dame Eats This. And this morning, well, this afternoon at this point, I'll be cooking a breakfast egg roll featuring bright leaf bacon, of course.
There you go.
Hey, nothing like it, man. So
let me ask you a question before we jump on it. Do you remember when you had your first bright leaf hot dog or where you had one?
I don't remember, but it was probably somewhere around, I would say, 1990, early, somewhere around there.
So you've been eating them for how long?
My whole life, pretty much.
There you go, man. I love it. Well, we appreciate you. Thank you for that. And just wondering, how did you come up with this breakfast egg roll? Like I was telling everyone else, I've heard of an egg roll, I've heard of a breakfast burrito.
Right.
We asked you what you want to cook, and you chose this. Why did you pick this?
Oh no, I love egg rolls for one. So doing different matchups over the years between cheesesteak egg rolls, buffalo chicken egg rolls. So why not create a breakfast egg roll?
So have you done this before, or is this the first time you're doing it?
First time with this one, bro.
Woo. You are brave, especially doing it live. So we'll see what happens.
It's only one of me.
YOLO, right?
Yeah, that's it, man. That's it. It's the only way.
All right, man. Well, get cooking, man. Show us what you got.
All right, well, check this out. For one, I shortened my cook time down a little bit because I already scrambled some eggs with cheese, and I took and baked bright leaf bacon for about 20 minutes in the oven on 400, and I just did a rough chop on it into pieces. I got my egg wash ready for my egg rolls.
Okay.
Got my egg rolls laid out. Well, my wrapper's laid out. You want to lay them out in a diamond shape. That way, you can properly prepare one. But everything I've used is right here in front of me. Simple as that, man.
So what kind of cheese are you using?
I'm actually using Sargento thin cheddar.
Okay.
But it's scrambled inside the eggs already, so won't be any additional cheese added to the breakfast egg roll.
Okay. I think I might add some more cheese just because I love cheese, but there's nothing wrong with doing it.
Nothing wrong with that, man. Whatever your choice is, I'm completely fine with that. You can also use sausage if you don't want to use bacon. It's totally a matter of preference.
Okay. So
right now, I'm trying to wait for my oil to heat up. Using peanut oil, actually. Using the Chick-fil-A hack.
Okay.
Hey, man. You got to make it work.
Yeah, can't go wrong with Chick-fil-A, man. I saw a post of yours with all tons of nuggets and the sauce, and that looked pretty good.
Hey, man. Fun times.
What's your favorite Chick-fil-A sauce?
Actually, right now it's sweet and spicy sriracha.
Sriracha?
Yeah, that's running the front runner for me, man.
Okay. I just like their sauce, Chick-fil-A sauce. That's my favorite.
That's classic, man. You can't go wrong.
Yeah.
If I ever find the recipe, I'm stealing it.
You can there's actually at Walmart, there's a sauce called chicken sauce.
I tried that too.
It's pretty close to it.
Yeah, definitely. All right, let me see if I can start at least wrapping my egg rolls while my grease heats up.
Okay.
Let me see if I can get a good angle so you can see what I'm trying to do here.
Okay.
All right, so basically, all I'm going to do, you don't want to overfill the wrappers. So I'm going to take some of the eggs, Dump them in a bowl. And I'm going to take some of the bacon, throw it right in there, mix it up together.
Yeah.
All you're trying to get in each wrapper is probably roughly about 2 tablespoons in a wrapper. You don't want to overfill it. So that's basically all you're really going for. Just enough you can make them as big or as little as you want. And it's your choice. It's your kitchen. But in this one, we want to make it look right. All right, so I'm going to take and I got my egg wash.
Okay.
All it is a beat egg and a little bit of water, just stir it up. And I'm start down here at the bottom. I'm brushing off. And we're going to take filling and you're going to go across it with the egg roll. And just a little bit more for good measure. All right, now I'm going to see if I can wrap this while I'm holding the phone.
You're holding the phone and you're wrapping it.
Yeah, man. Multi-talented, bro.
Man. Okay.
All right, so that first fold, when you come up from the bottom, you just want to tuck it right under, whatever your filling is or you're stuffing on the inside.
Okay.
Me personally, take an egg wash, the corners.
Mm-hmm.
And hold on, my sous chef's coming to help me with my camera.
All right.
All right, so this might be a little better. You let me know how it looks out there.
That's perfect.
Perfect. All right. What we're gonna do next? We're gonna take and we're gonna fold this corner over. Then we're gonna fold this one over. Then what you're gonna do, you're just gonna pretty much just wrap it over till it completely fold.
Okay.
Now you got your egg roll. We're gonna do the same process with these. I think I fry up a few of them because I got 2 little children in there who are dying to try whatever daddy's making in the kitchen today. And I got a wife here who I think she wants to try it too.
I'm sure we all did.
Hey, man. It's simple, man. It's simple, and it'll be fun. And I hope any or everybody who watches this recreates it.
So how many YouTube videos did you watch to figure out how to pull this on?
Actually, none.
None. Wow.
What you're seeing me do is the first time you ever or anybody's ever seen me do this.
Okay.
Hey, man.
For everything.
My honesty is everything, man. So you gotta love it. But it's all good, and they're gonna be perfect, man. At the end, I just take, just brush it over again.
Okay.
Just for good measure. It's your choice. You don't have to. Some people recommend it. Some don't. It's all preference as everything else. So what's going on in Carolina Packers today, man?
Well, it finally stopped raining. So
same here, man. Same here.
Hopefully we can get out there and actually grill now. That's what I'm mean, so.
Okay.
Hey, Damien, what part of North Carolina are you in?
I'm in Clayton.
Did you grow up in Clayton?
No, I did not. I'm actually from Rocky Mount, born and raised. And, my wife and I, we just bought a house here in Clayton in December.
Okay.
So, I'm enjoying it thus far. It's definitely new adventure. Yeah. But great city. No complaints.
Where there's a lot of hot dog joints in Johnson County. Have you found one that you like the most, or
hot dogs? Yeah, man. I went to Joko Hot Dog Palace last night, man. Some of the best hot dogs I've had in a very long time.
Oh yeah. Yeah, Jonathan knows what he's doing, man. Did you try his big Kahuna hot dog?
Nah, I hadn't tried. I saw it. When I went yesterday, I actually picked the Palace dog, and then I did all my add-ons to it.
Mm-hmm.
So, of course I went with the bright leaf. That's just me. So, oil's getting ready. It's getting close.
So right now you're heating up. What are you heating up right now?
Peanut oil, man.
Okay.
It's just strictly a preference, and it's what I had at the house at the time. You can use any oil you want. Vegetable, canola is strictly your choice. But this is what I had in the house, especially after a homemade Chick-fil-A night. It still had peanut oil left, so hey, why not?
Mm-hmm.
So right now, I'm running at about 200. I need to get a little higher for my taste.
How long do you think it typically takes to heat that up? I know you said it's the first time you're doing it, but I'm sure you've heated up oil before.
Yeah, actually I have, but you know what? Excuse me. Another hack, usually go on the air fryer, man. But I wanted to cook them on the stove today.
Okay.
You can air fry it, and it'd be as simple as that.
Yeah, I have an air fryer too. That seems to be something very popular that a lot of people are using these days.
Yeah, man, it's an ingenious gadget, I think, to say the least. It gives too much convenience in the kitchen when you can, just set it in there and let it ride.
Yeah. So where did you get your love of food from? You have an Instagram page for your followers, all about food. What made you decide to do that?
Man, it's second nature, really, man. And the way Dame Eats this actually came about, I told my wife it's been about a year ago, the end of last May. I was sitting at the house. I was like, I'm going to start a food blog. And she said, okay, what are you going to name it? Dame Eats This. And it just kind of stuck, and you see, everything after that, it was just fun.
Yeah, I mean, I know it's straightforward. Just from your name, everyone knows what you're sharing, what you're doing.
Okay, had a little issue, man. It's time to drop some egg rolls, man.
Okay.
Let's make some magic happen in here.
That's all I like to see. That's all I like to hear.
You don't want them too long, so make sure you turn them every so often, just so you don't burn your egg roll wrappers up. You just want to cook them to golden brown or whatever color you prefer your egg roll.
Okay.
I tell you what, though, I wish you had a smell-o-vision, man, so you can smell it.
Well, you can almost taste it. It's kind of like, you're there in the kitchen because you can see the bubbles, you can see the smoke.
Oh, yeah, man.
You can hear it. So.
I might have to cook the rest of the pack of this bright leaf, man, and just serve them up.
Yeah. Yeah, you're not too far away from us. We might have to stop by your house. I don't know.
Hey, man, I'll be here.
So, Damien, where'd you get your love of food from? You said it was second nature. Did it come from your family growing up? Or?
Definitely. I come from a family full of cooks. So I've always, whether it be in the house or, outside cooking, it was just always a passion. And as far as, the foodie aspect, just going different places, trying different things. And, you kind of find what you like after a while, and then you end up realizing that it's pretty much everything.
Yeah. Is there one food or recipe that you remember growing up that your mom cooked a lot that you loved, or your grandma, or
my mom's baked spaghetti is probably my absolute favorite. And okay. I actually, if you follow my page a lot, you'll see me cook it quite a bit over the past year. But it's a recipe. It's just irreplaceable, and nothing else tastes like it. I just try to come as close as I can to recreating it. So.
She didn't give you the recipe or nothing?
No, she wouldn't give it to me. I watched it enough to watch all those and see exactly what it is. But no, she's definitely not giving it up. There's quite a few other things, she wouldn't tell me about it either. But you learn as you watch. I'm a learner.
Yep.
Fresh out of the oil, man. You got 3 breakfast egg rolls. We're gonna cut them up, man. I need you to be able to see the goodness on the inside of these.
Oh yeah.
And just so everybody else knows what they look like on the inside.
Oh yeah, that looks delicious.
Now, this is a personal choice for me. If you're gonna pair it with a condiment, I suggest a maple syrup to pair it with.
That's not a bad idea.
And it's definitely as good as it looks.
All right, you can just hear that crispiness. How would you describe like that flavor profile? You got a lot going on.
It's kind of like sandwiching bacon and eggs between a waffle sandwich.
A waffle sandwich, okay.
That's kind of with the syrup. That's definitely the profile it gives off. But yeah, I'm gonna have to get another bite, man. These are really good.
How'd you do for your first time cooking that ever? Think you did a good job?
I think so. I'm gonna switch, and I'm gonna actually let my wife try one while I listen to her crunch on it and see if I can get a second opinion.
So does your wife typically go with you to those restaurants when you're going around?
Some of them, yes. You know, it all depends on the scheduling. You know, some places I go by myself. A lot of places she does go with me.
Okay.
But just again, say it again so Justin can hear you.
I said that's excellent, honey.
Hey man, that's all my stamp of approval right there.
Oh man, solid, dude. Solid.
Yeah.
Thanks for the love, guys. Appreciate it. What'd she say about the egg roll?
She said they were excellent, honey.
Excellent.
And I take that as a high compliment.
Oh yeah. Does she normally like what you cook, or is that a rare compliment, or does it happen a lot?
She does, man. She loves my cooking. I think that's how she married me. Love at first sight and bite.
There you go. I like it. Anything you want to say to the audience before we hop off?
Nothing much, man. Just I'll be looking for more food spots and more foodie friends, and yeah, I appreciate you having me on today, Justin.
Absolutely, man. Guys, thanks for watching. Damien, thanks for being on here. If you have any questions about this recipe, please reach out to Dame Eats This. He's more than happy to answer any questions or share with you where he's going throughout North Carolina. And if you guys want to be on the next cooking show, please DM us. Love to have you on here. Just hope everyone has a great weekend and a great Friday. See you, man.
All right, man.